Hello everyone, welcome to the Thinking Machine YouTube channel. The goal of this channel is to explore and experiment with the latest technology of the world of artificial intelligence. Means we're gonna be exploring and talking about data science, machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, and many more to come. Now, if you don't understand these terms, don't worry. I'll explain each and everything in an upcoming session and gradually we'll learn about them. Alright, so what is artificial intelligence? So, basically, artificial intelligence is mimicking how human think and solve the problems, a particular problem, right? So artificial intelligence at its core is a multidisciplinary subject area which basically mimics how humans solve problems, like how child learn to speak languages, right? Different languages, and write how to write, bicycle, learn to read, learn to write, learn to solve mathematical equations, and many more things we humans do, right? So in the upcoming sessions, we are going to explore and experiment with all of these area, and we are going to write a program to teach computer how to do these particular tasks, right? And in this journey we're going to be making a lot of real world projects, like we're going to build chatbots, we'll be building, face recognition apps, we'll be building self-driving cars, and we'll teach a computer how to play games, like um, those Atari games, like what we call it, space invaders, and breakout, etc. All right, and all of the code for these projects will be posted on GitHub link at github.com slash thinking machine. So I'm really excited for this project and this series, and I hope you are excited too, and so come and join me in this journey of thinking machine. Thank you.